something alright. Something can't, the man, nothing at all. Me and Dewey nice shop. I Mr. Dewey like that. The man just bite off my head. The man aggressive towards me for nothing, and Dewey is a nice soul person. He's ignorant, you know. Don't get me wrong. I'm ignorant when ignorance, but Dewey have principle. I remember when me and him married, me used to say, Dewey, you know the love of me and you share, it's nice. Me just see my husband look back for me that way. You hear that? Move on a dirty iniquity working blood, iniquity in a dirty mouth, on a dirty wishes. When me sit in and laugh yesterday and I say, Bumbo, that you sit down and laugh for people life mash up. Is that really nice, really, when you come to think of it? What benefit do you get? You understand me? You sit down, your boots do if you sell the tire them, your boots do if you sell the TV. Same thing with the ring, plus whatever else do we sell. Dewey don't even drink. Dewey most effect is on for smoke. And when Dewey build one spliff, Dewey have the whole spliff lamb. And me always a suck out Dewey spliff them. Dewey maintenance no high. Dewey and the boy we have certain addiction. Dewey just a man as you see him there. So with all of this, it just not adds up to me. So make me fool my marriage and my life. To no right over here, sir. Me not trust no. So that's why you think my Anglo no dirty. I don't know who not type against me now. Remember Chin companies come saying, do we have a woman when name Cherry, you know? And a Cherry did forget do you know? I don't know if a Cherry at Obeah me. Well, Obeah do it. No matter when I see my ball, you know. When I see me still get on with life, because I'm a winner. And it just not right. You know, me hear a mother always say, oh, no, if you tap it foolishness, because it's a bare foolishness. And it's truth. It's now me and you come a dear. This is how we started, you know. I don't know, girl, you know, I'm still telling you, know. Girl coming at the PH, in the journey I'm talking about, girl. But me and Dewey now, we're over a blood. When do we run the last year? May. What we argue over? Foolishness at Jamaica and him say me for buy rum film cause I'm not buying a rum film cause with the blood. I said that don't make no sense, brethren. From me not buy the rum for the cause I come and him not talk to me and him call cause and the big disgrace and him move out and it doesn't make no sense. So now when I look into it, I say, last year May, June, July, August, little before London birthday, my ball, my eye behind bush, my scream. And you know the wickedest thing? And I like, do we have earman ammunition to say, well, him have ear and him in love with one woman and him and her have relationship and him go move, go with her. It's just bare bunks around. It's like them set him for bunks around. Bunkless as me and him have nothing, him no want to hear nothing, him not talk to me. Him want to run if I talk to him, him walk off, left me, him walk him down, him run. That wasn't Dewey. From Dewey come to England, my most atmosphere change. So whether me delusional or not, me have to work out everything. Me not trust none of I come, me not trust Dewey. None of them me not trust. The only somebody me trust is myself. I'm so bloody scared, it's unbelievable. But it's the truth, me I want drunk, want shithouse, and dog, want alligator, want blood crocodile. They tell me the right stuff. That's not right. Anybody who write last year said them throw me one cake, get dog, and fuck me, I don't. Something right, something wrong with them. Really? Everybody want progress. Nobody no run from good. I see that my husband's eyes, me the worst one for God earth. Do we talk to me sometimes? I say, do not, hey, pastor, give me, yo. Do not talk to me, so baby. If me and you cuss or you talk to me certain way, it's fine. And then the little things I do have me up for. My son now call me dog. Do it. Wake up, brother. Wake up, brother. What is a to your action. And them things that my husband sit down and have me up for after you get up and do so much things. And nothing what do we do? He's not, them don't worthy. Look on this girl now. Gangster, call your husband right now and see if him not answer me. You chatting by me, gangster. If me call your husband right now, him answer and him not answer me. Really, what benefit you get out of him calling you when him upset with me and him gonna answer you? You and him gonna live happily ever after? You know want proof for me and throw me down for make me say me is nobody and do it not count me. Do count me, you know? Do it count me. Do we love me and do we just cannot take the time and can't find the urge to communicate with me. So all I do is hatred and grudge. What do it have for me? It no must have come from somewhere. Me not... So that makes sense to all know. But I mean I get the shit in of the stick. That don't make no sense. When you see it, does that make any sense? No, it's fuck. You understand me? But you know what? All is not last because I'm a winner and I have life. And me know something right. Trust me. You see my husband? You said my husband I'm married to me, a Jamaica. Why you think I fight for my husband, sir? When my husband I'm married to me, you know, all when the date had passed, something I do is say, crazy the date I got run out in 3 months upon it. Something so one name 3 months and say I'm married within the 3 months. It was doing interest. It now have nothing to do with it coming into foreign either. Me never have no legacy. Me don't even have a rent with a rent car at Jamaica. And me said to him, say, me can't send for you come a foreign, you know, but me get somebody to help me. And him say, me not care about no foreign, me just want married to you. So I remember them days there, you know. Me never know me, Queenie, could have sent for my husband, you know. You understand me? So me and Dewey never married. I say, oh, me I married you and bring you to England. No. A genuine love and do it by the ring. Me and do it go downtown and buy the ring and do it call him mother. And I tell him mother, me hear him, you know. Me I say, what? This man really in an element for my to me. Me never bring no riches go get do it. So all of this for me and him bill. Me I do my ads I'm doing now pay me no mind, you know. It's not right. Why do we have nice art for everybody else? Why you can't do things to people? That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. Do we work for 4 months? Hey! Allah! Blessing! Nice. Do we work for 4 months with white elderly people? And my husband done so well. You hear me? Do we get carers allowance 4 months? Every month do him get 4 months straight. Every month him get him pay him send him money go give him son. And do we just got Jamaica. Make chin make him move out, lick head with Devante, ups and down, and just left him job. I'ma find it so weird. So none of that attack. No, me I got through. If my was so much into the job, you know, I'm like a uniform, my can't go work a man in time, them a cuss me the and do it, I never care, me I support my husband. Cause I'm so glad I'm like a official work. It's when the lady at the workplace called me and said to me, say, Queenie, Dewey just left and told us that his foot sick. And when I look at saw Dewey in Jamaica and the plane, I can't do it. Dewey said, nah, go back. And I say, what? But this has nothing to do with me. Dewey never had to work for me. Dewey was working for his son. You know, I feel so good. When Dewey are working money, I say, yes, Dewey. And him say, crazy, me just send up the money to Zay, you know. And for see my husband get up and left that job. Me and him ups and down and make money. Him not care about the money when me I make. That's no that. Me could have £1 million put on yourself about house. Do we not have no needs to find for them? Do one crazy me can't buy one McDonald's. Really? I mean you make them. Me no idiot. No. Don't make me live in a denial for my marriage. On a wicked and evil and bad mind. You understand? But people is vicious. People will do things, but guess what? My God is real. We can be wrong, but me not wrong. Me not eat that. The way I do a boss when him get him like a job with him like a ID pan it. As him get him money, him send it back his head. My husband reads the Bible because I said, do make sure you save £100 out of your pay every month, you know? When the woman said to me, said, do it. All right, you left your job, nothing wrong with it. 9. One night time at 10 o'clock. Darling, bring me a piece of napkin, please. Sorry. One at a time. 2 nights at 10 o'clock do we come off at work. Him start 7 every morning. You know, you stood up on the live with me and him. I may tell you that brother takes so much joy and pride. I admire my husband and feel good. He never had a work for me. For mind me. I don't like him did a work and me I tear my down and say I want this and I want that. No. Him give away my give me do him. If him not give me nothing, no matter to me because I make my own. And for see the accomplishment when me and my husband get in a life and he doesn't care about it. Whether he am sung to our next girl and him counsel them and him take them feelings in concern. All if me I did if I go up there so no I said, do me I go jump. Do said jump. But guess what? At the fittest survive. So none of them type nothing and tell me. I not trust none of you. So why you take my angle on like that? That's a your word. Yeah. You don't like it? You like it, it's slimy. You like Queenie slime. What a